Is this 17 Pro Max case from DEWALT going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. So when it comes to protection, on the back you have a nice hard backing, so going to be great for shock absorption, but it also does have a more flexible material as well around the sides and perimeter of the case, so it does hug that case a lot better. When it comes to the lenses, you do have that popped out piece here which does cover that whole lens area and does pop over it. So if you drop your phone lens side down, it'll hit that popped out piece first and protect them. The screen side also does have a little bit of a bezel, so it does hang over that screen just a little bit, but if you wanted to get full maximum protection for your screen, I would recommend just pairing a screen protector along with the case. Now for the convenient features, you do have a MagSafe ring on the back which does flip out into a kickstand. You have a 150-degree angle there, so you can get your vertical viewing, you can also get your horizontal viewing, and it does rotate 360. So if you want to get different angles and try other angles out too, it actually does rotate 360 around the phone, which is nice, so you can get a bunch of different angles with that. And of course, compatible with any MagSafe accessories, MagSafe charging, does great with power banks and all that good stuff. And then here's the actual MagSafe hold as well. So yeah, strong MagSafe hold, and it's going to be compatible with all your MagSafe stuff. You've got a slit for the camera action button that the 17 Pro Max does have. And then I like that you do get some extra grip as well. So there's these actual finger grooves right here. So when you're holding your phone, you can actually work your fingers into those. A little bit more extra grip when holding your phone with the case. So overall, would definitely recommend this case from DEWALT. It's got everything you need when it comes to conveniency, when it comes to protection as well. It's definitely built to protect your phone. I love the material. It's kind of like a hybrid. So you have the hard backing, and then the actual material around the perimeter is a little bit softer, but it does hug that phone better. It's a lot more flexible too. So overall, would definitely recommend this as a good daily case for the 17 Pro Max.